Today we are at Hall 16. This is a hall with lift. It's next to Hall 3. And they got Can 16. This is Canton 16. When you first walk in, you see security table there. 16B, C, 16D, and Hall 3. View at Hall 16 is quite nice as well, but it's hot in the afternoon because they got direct sunlight. At Hall 3, below it is the Hall admin office, but it's the Pokemon stop right here. We got a gym right here, a Pokemon gym, but there's also a gym inside. This is the Hall office. This machine is for you to top up your Acorn card. You need to use nets to top up. This is the gym, but it's for Hall 3 residents only. I'm sure if you can see from the outside. It's the same for gym. But outside Hall 3 is Pokemon gym. The last box is here.
After the stage, there's Hall 13. It's quite near, right? From Hall 3 to Hall 13. So this is Hall 13. Beside us, Hall 12. And the other side is Hall 14. This is Hall 3.
So there will be a shoe rack outside your room. And inside, they got cardboard attached to the wall. A study table that is smaller than Hall 8. Drawer. Big cardboard. Two lights. We got two lights in this room, a fan and an aircon. This is how the room looks like. The good thing about this room is they got space below the bed, so you can keep your stuff. Hall 16 lift. Let's go to the pantry. Pantry is a lavatory. Let's go. Alright, again at the pantry. Similar microwave, but they got two microwaves. See, this is the second one, and induction cooker, fan as well, hot and cold water dispenser. See how good the view is. But it can't be too noisy. If not, outside you might hear what you say. This is the linking bridge between 16D and 16B. Now we're going to 16B. This is the view from top. We got a lounge here. It's with TV, coffee table, sofa. Same as Hall 8, but it's bigger. It's air conditioned as well. Level 3 at 16D is linked to level 5 of 16B. So you're going to the music room now. Second floor, you can see a study room. That's a lot of space. Not many people here. This is the place I like the most. Piano inside. It's with sofa and coffee table too. But they only open until 11. We got to leave before 11. It is until 11. Have a look of the laundry room. Oh, is it key fob? Did it bring key fob? Isn't it? The washing machine with two dryers.